Hi, today I am going to share with you my go-to salmon recipe. It is amazing. It is silky and moist and super flavorful thanks to the addition of dill and lemon zest. What's also so special about it is that it's super quick. It's super easy and you do it in one pot. And when I say super quick, 18 minutes. That's all you need. Quick dinner for the family, 18 minutes. Guests who come for dinner, you can get it done in 18 minutes. Big potluck party, 18 minutes. As long as the salmon fits your air fryer, you can get it done in 18 minutes. Everyone will be asking you for the recipe. The first step is to chop some dill. Make sure that the dill is washed and well dried because we don't want excess moisture in our salmon. The dill in this recipe is optional. If your kids don't care for it, remove it from the recipe. Place the chopped dill inside a bowl. Next, add the zest of 1 lemon. I like to use a microplane for this. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can just eyeball the amount of olive oil. If you have a lot of herbs, you need enough so that your mixture turns into a spreadable paste. If you're just using lemon zest for the children, add enough olive oil so that it can cover the entire surface of the salmon. Place your salmon in an oven-proof dish. If they're skinned, you want to place it skin side down. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of sugar. Add the herb mixture on top of the salmon. Try to cover the entire surface. If you are not in a rush, put the salmon in the refrigerator to rest for 1 hour. If you don't have time, that's okay. When you are ready to cook, take the salmon out of the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature for 20 minutes. Place the salmon in its container in the air fryer and you are going to cook it at 250 degrees for 18 minutes. And voila, that's it. We're done. Time to eat it. Look at this. The texture is so silky. Sexy. Oh.